Birds are fascinating creatures. Macaws are one of the world's most colorful birds. Parrots are intelligent birds. Their beaks are short, strong, and curved, used to break fruit and seeds. Kingfishers are small, brightly colored birds and have large heads, long, sharp, pointed bills, short legs, and stubby tails. Many different species of birds eat fruit. Some brightly colored birds rely on fruit for their diet. Sandconurs are vibrant and colorful parrots. They have bold personalities and are very energetic. After they're born, baby birds will open their mouths and swing their heads around as their mother feeds them. The Toco toucan is the largest species of toucan. They are found in South America. With its large bill, it plucks fruit from trees. They are seen in zoos and some are kept as pets. Peacocks have been admired for their beauty for centuries. The males have up to 150 brightly colored feathers. Birds build nests to have a safe place to lay their eggs and raise their chicks. They may use a lot of different materials to build their nests. Cardinals are bright, amazing birds. Males are red and females are brown. They love to eat seeds. Hummingbirds are small birds that can hover in mid-air rapidly by flapping their wings up to 80 times per second. This creates a humming sound. Currently, there are over 9,000 species of birds discovered. Birds have feathers and a hard beak with no teeth. They are found on every continent of the world.